Hydrothermal vents. Hydrothermal vents are geysers and hot springs on the seafloor that form where Earth's crust is spreading apart. These vents are like icebergs. The astounding worlds that they support on the seafloor are just the tip of what lies hidden below. A whole network of cracks and channels connected to the system's fiery heart inside Earth. Here's how vents work. Cold seawater seeps down through the cracks in the ocean floor. As gravity pulls the water deeper into Earth's crust, energy from molten rock deep beneath the seafloor hits the water to 650 degrees Fahrenheit to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. As the water gets hotter, chemical reactions change the water. It picks up dissolved metals, including iron, copper, and zinc, loses its oxygen, and picks up hydrogen sulfide. The super hot water rises rapidly back to the surface, carrying with it the dissolved metals and hydrogen sulfide. It mixes with cold seawater as it exits the vent. In black smokers, the most powerful kind of vent, smoke gushes out of a chimney-like opening. The smoke is actually bits of metallic sulfide, which is black. White smokers gush different elements and are cooler and less powerful. Coolest and weakest of all are the diffuse vents. Fluid in these vents mixes with seawater and spreads out before emerging onto the seafloor. At the time, photosynthesis, the process by which plants combine air and sunlight to create sugar for food, was the base of every food chain known to science. But sunlight fades quickly in the ocean. Dive down just 650 feet, and 90% of the light from the surface disappears. Below, about 200 feet, there's not enough light for photosynthesis to happen. No photosynthesis, scientists thought, meant no great concentrations of life. With the discovery of the amazing creatures at the vents, scientists had to toss out the assumed limits of life. Here were creatures that could withstand conditions previously thought impossible. The life forms at the vents weren't just extreme in their environment, they were also extreme in their diet. In a world without light, deep sea microbes use chemicals from vent water, especially hydrogen sulfide, to create energy. They use this chemical energy to change carbon dioxide in seawater into sugars that nourish event life. The quest to understand the deep ocean is just beginning. All the vents we've discovered so far have been found in less than 1% of the ocean. Exploring this uncharted frontier is the mission of the Office of Oceanic Exploration and Research at the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration and its flagship, the Okeanos Explorer. In 2011, a team of scientists set out on the Okeanos to explore one of the most famous hydrothermal hunting grounds on the planet, the Galapagos Rift. Like snowflakes, no two deep sea hydrothermal vents are exactly alike. These clouds of water spewing from inside Earth contain billions of microorganisms that provide food for most vent life.